how to withdraw money from FxPro. Here's how it works. First, you will need to sign into your account and you will need to have deposited money. You will just click on the deposit section here, and once you have deposited money and you have a sufficient balance, then you will click on wallet and accounts. Here you will see your wallet balance and you want to select the withdrawal button. Once you click on the withdrawal button, it's going to take you to a page that looks a little something like this. It is going to display your available funds and you can request a maximum of 300,000 USD. Choose the payment method which you want. For example, you can do crypto payment, and usually you should also be able to use your bank account or debit card. You will choose the method which you want to use and then go through the prompts, click on the withdrawal button, and that is how you withdraw money from FxPro. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.